And just hours ago, the State Department issued a level 4 travel warning, its highest, urging U.S. citizens not to travel to China amidst the coronavirus outbreak.
The warning comes as we learn there are nearly 10,000 confirmed cases in China and more than 200 deaths. CBS 2's Jessica Layton has the latest now on this growing worldwide health crisis.
On the same day the World Health Organization declared the novel coronavirus a global emergency, the Centers for Disease Control announced the first person-to-person spread of the virus here in the U.S.
This development is something we have been prepared for.
A woman who traveled to Wuhan, the epicenter of the outbreak, infected her husband when she came home to Chicago January 13th. The man in his 60s, who was not in China, started showing symptoms 2 days ago.
We could see more cases among individuals who have had close contact.
Meanwhile, thousands of passengers, including 114 Americans, were trapped on a cruise ship off the coast of Italy, while tests were being done on a woman from China who came down with flu-like symptoms. It was a false alarm. But there is so much fear. The New Rochelle School District felt it necessary to tell parents a student at Albert Leonard Middle School tested positive for a common, less dangerous strain of coronavirus. NL63 is not the strain causing so many complications, but given the anxious rumor mill, parents we spoke with appreciated the explanation.
This is like the game of telephone. One person's story can become a whole other different thing. I don't think people understand the different strains.
In New York City, it is not uncommon to see people walking the streets wearing masks, even though there hasn't been a single confirmed case of coronavirus here.
Fear is more powerful than knowledge sometimes. Everybody who has a cold is afraid it's coronavirus.
Dr. Len Horovitz is a pulmonologist at Lenox Hill Hospital and says panic is spreading faster than the virus itself, reminding us the flu is much more prevalent.
The flu kills 40,000 people a year in this country. We shouldn't take the flu lightly.
And if you haven't, he still wants people to get their flu shot. Now, as for that couple in Chicago, the husband and wife are said to be doing well. They're in isolation at a hospital. Health officials are keeping a close eye on anybody who had close contact with them. Meanwhile, about 100 other Americans are still waiting for results on their own health after being tested for coronavirus. Christine.
Okay, Jessica, thank you.